If your Spectrum remote is not controlling the TV volume, the issue is usually caused by simple setup or connection problems. Start by replacing the batteries, since weak batteries are the most common reason volume buttons stop working. Next, make sure the remote is set to TV mode instead of CBL mode, because volume controls only work properly when the remote is communicating directly with your television. Also check that nothing is blocking the infrared signal between the remote and the TV and point it straight toward the sensor. If the volume still doesn't respond, restart both your TV and cable box by unplugging them for about a minute to clear temporary glitches. You should also reprogram the remote using the correct TV brand code, as pairing can reset after power outages or battery changes. Review your TV or cable box audio settings as well, since incorrect output settings may block volume control. As a final step, reset the remote by removing the batteries and holding the power button for around 30 seconds before reinstalling them.